Let's take a look at the course calendar and topics for Design 302 in spring 2023. Our first week will cover an introduction and a little bit of a review of AutoCAD, some basic general drawing commands and drawing standards practices. And then we'll take a week also to review Design 301 work and maybe do a little bit extra so that we've all got exactly the same base to work from. Each of our instructors focuses on a little bit different stuff. And so we want to make sure that we're all in the same place as we go. And it shouldn't take much more than that week. After that, we go into our architectural work. There will be a little bit of AutoCAD and then a little bit of Revit, details, and architectural plans. Those would be floor plans and roof plans and things like that, foundation plans. There is no lab on Friday the 17th, so this will be a catch-up day. Any catch-up work that you need to do from the first 4 weeks. And then week 6 will complete our architectural work with Revit, where you can either make architectural drawing sets, combining all of this stuff together, or adding interior design space plans or landscape plans. All in Revit. It'll be your choice which of those 3 you'd like to do. At that point, our main architectural work is done, and we're on to some mechanical work. And we'll be using AutoCAD or Inventor for mechanical details. For what we're going to do, they're somewhat interchangeable. So we'll do some mechanical details and then some mechanical assemblies. And then we need to really do some work about what are called tolerances. And that tells you how perfect the part needs to be on each dimension. Can it be way off and still work, or does it have to be as close to perfect as possible? So that will be our mechanical work, and that will be in AutoCAD or Inventor, a little bit of both. And then we do some civil work. We've got plot plans, site plans, and civil sections. And those will be, again, a combination of AutoCAD and Revit. Okay. Once we're done with those, and by the way, in between week 8 and week 9, we've got spring break. Okay, that comes March 13th through 19th. And the last unit is your choice. You get to choose the software you'd like to work in and your choice of industry. You'll be able to do architecture, mechanical, civil, interior design, or landscape. We've got projects for all of those. And the mechanical can either be component or what we call MEP, HVAC, mechanical, electrical, or plumbing. So these last 3 weeks, you'll get to focus on the software and industry of your choice. So our goal is to get you 5 or 6 weeks of something that pretty well matches with your educational plan, and then give you some breadth so that you can understand how they all go together. Our last week, of course, will be review before the final exam. All right. So there we go. Those are our course topics and when they will be done. And this is a draft. I always watch and see how the course is going and making sure that students are able to keep up, or sometimes students are moving very, very fast and we need to speed some things up. So this is a plan and it might change as we go along. So there we go. Design 302, spring 2023. That's our course calendar and topics.